Good day to you all. My name is Gabriel Mendoza, and this is my second week. Let's start. What is a number system? A number system is a way of representing numbers and performing arithmetic operations using symbols and rules. The most commonly used number system is the decimal number system, which uses 10 symbols, 0 up to 9, to represent the numbers. Other examples of number systems include binary, octal, and hexadecimal. So each number system has a specific base which determines the number of symbols used to represent the numbers. Okay, so what's the importance of the number system? So the number system is important in the field of mathematics, computer science, and engineering because it provides a way to represent numbers and performs mathematical operations on them. Different number systems have different bases which determine the number of symbols used to present numbers. So marami siyang different ways. We will tackle this on the next. So let's start. So first is the decimal number system. So in the decimal number system, each digit in a number represents a specific power of 10. For example, the number 1, 2, 3, 4 in the decimal system can be represented as 1 times 10 up 3 plus 2x 10 up arrow 2 plus 3x 10 up arrow 1 plus 4 times 10 up arrow 0. So the decimal system is used in everyday life for counting, measuring, and representing monetary values. So the application of computing of the decimal number system is used for everyday life. So for counting, measuring, and representing, just like I said a while ago, it is also used in computing the decimal system, used for representing numerical data in human readable form. For example, spreadsheets, financial applications, and database management systems. Next is the binary number system. So the binary number system, so each digit in a number represents either a 0 or a 1. So do not umiikot yun. So this system is the basis for digital data representation and is used in computers to store and process information. So in a binary number, each digit represents a power of 2. For example, the binary number 1011 can be represented as 1 times 2 arrow 3 plus 0x2 up arrow 2 plus 1x2 up arrow 1 plus 1 times 2 up arrow 0. So application of computing, the binary system is the basis for digital data representation and is used in computers to store and process information. So yung binary number system is mostly used for computers. So in computing the binary system, it is used for representing machine-readable data. For example, the computer memory, storage devices, and digital circuits. Next is the octal number system. In the octal number system, each digit in a number represents a power of 8. This system is used to simplify the representation of binary data and is particularly useful for addressing memory locations in computer systems. So, example niya is the octal number 27 can be represented as 2 times 8 up arrow 1 plus 7 times 8 up arrow 0. So the application of computing the octal system can be used to simplify the representation of binary data. So isi-simplify niya yung binary data and particularly useful for addressing memory locations in computer system. So it is also used sa computer. In computing the octal system, it is used for specifying the address of a memory location. For example, the assembly language programming. So yun, ginagamit siya dun sa assembly language programming. So next is the hexadecimal number system. So in the hexadecimal number system, each digit in a number represents a power of 16. So this system is also used to simplify the representation of binary data in a computer system and is commonly used for encoding colors in web design. So ginagamit din siya sa pag-encode dun daw sa web design. So the hexadecimal system uses 16 symbols. So 0 to 9 and now this use A to F para dun sa 10 up to 16. Kasi hanggang 0 to 9 na yung ginagamit. So, to represent the numbers. For example, the hexadecimal number FF can be represented as 15 times 16 up arrow 1 plus 15 times 16 up arrow 0. So, the application of computing the hexadecimal system is used to simplify the representation of binary data in computer system and is commonly used for encoding colors in web design, just like I said a while ago. So in computing, the hexadecimal system is used for representing binary data in a compact form. So example niya is the representation of computer memory address, the color codes para do sa web design, at network protocols. So the next is the duodecimal number system. So, the duodecimal system known as the 12-base system, so ito naman 12 lang siya, is a number system that uses 12 symbols to represent the numbers. It is primarily used for counting and measuring time. So, ginagamit siya sa pag-measure ng mga time, especially sa mga fractions. So, where it has the advantage of allowing for easy representations of common fractions, just like I said. So, such as the 1 and a half, 1/3, 1/4, and 1/6. So, the application of computing. So, the duodecimal system, besides being used for timekeeping, can be also used for measuring the length, the weight, the volume in some cultures. The cryptography-based 12 offers easier manipulation of large numbers and extra security in certain algorithms. So, despite its benefits, the duodecimal system is not widely used today. Kaya di siya kasama doon sa binanggit ko kanina dito sa mga other examples kasi hindi siya mostly ginagamit. Okay? Unlike the hexadecimal, the binary, octal, and decimal, which is the commonly used. So, itong duodecimal, hindi siya masyadong ginagamit. But, however, it remains an interesting aspect of mathematical history and is still studied and used in specialized areas. So, sa mga piling area lang siya ginagamit or dun sa mga other cultures. Next is the ternary number system. Just like the duodecimal number system, ito ay hindi rin masyadong ginagamit. So, the ternary system or the base 3 system, so sa nag-base siya sa tatlo, which is the -1, the 0, and the 1. To represent their numbers, kasama dun yung mga negative. So, with each digit representing a power of 3, it provides a more efficient representation of negative numbers than binary. But, it is not widely used in everyday applications, just like I said a while ago. So it is used in some unconventional computer architectures for academic research purposes. So the application of computing, the ternary system, is a unique numbering system with mathematical properties of interest in computer science. So it is used in computer architectures and studied for potential applications in cryptography and data storage. So doon siya ginagamit. Even though it's not widely used, it still holds a significant place in mathematics and computer science, with ongoing exploration of its applications and advancement. So sa mga pag-advancement ng mga computer science and mathematics, maybe in the near future, we could see the ternary number system being used mostly. Hindi na siya masyadong, ginagamit na siya lagi, hindi siya ginagamit. Katulad ng ngayon. So, here are the examples from 0 to 15 for the decimal number system and the binary number system all the way up to the ternary number system. So, as you can see, dito nyo makikita yung mga difference niya up to the number 15. So, that's all. Thank you for listening.